up from nothing, now I'm something they discussing. Used to dream of balling, now the wrist and neck is busting. I was posted on the block, late nights, no discussion. Had to make a way, cause the rent was in the oven. Mama used to pray for me, hoping I see the light. Told me watch the snakes, baby, everybody ain't right. Now I'm on a big stage, lights flash, city bright. Turn my losses into lessons, now we taking bigger flights.
Sky is the limit, so we keep on, keep on. No, we came from nothing, but we reaching beyond. Have what you want, be what you want. Have what you want, be what you want.
Used to wear the same shoes, now we rock designer fits. Told them I'ma make it, they was laughing, talking shit. Now they in my DMs trying to say that they legit. Funny how the tables turn when you manifesting it. Ain't no limits when your hustle got precision. Took my people out the struggle, now we winning. No more nights starving, eating ramen in the kitchen. Now it's 5-star plates, every day a new vision.
They ain't believing in me,
now they see the vision. Pray for better days, turn my pain into ambition. Never going back, swear we up and we living. Only make moves when your heart's in it.